Got a weird little curly Q there, don't I?
Hey y'all! So the question today, or the question of the week is, hey Whit, what should I do with my house? And this is a real conversation I had with a lady the other day, and I'm going to tell you what I told her about what she should do with her house. First of all, I told her that I'm probably a terrible realtor because I'm going to be as honest with you as I can. I don't need your listing. I don't necessarily want your listing. I don't have to have 30 listings a day or a month or a week. I don't have to lead gen real hard. I don't need that headache to feed my children. All right. So on one hand, I'm a really great realtor because I can tell you exactly what I'm thinking and not need to put a sales pitch on it, right? On the other hand, I'm a terrible realtor because I'm not going to try to win you over with some convincing listing line or something. So she asked me, what should I do with my house? And I told her, tell me more about it. She's trying to take care of her parents. She's trying to take care of her in-laws. She's trying to take care of her kids. She's trying to take care of the future. She's trying to take care of herself. She's trying to take care of her husband. She's trying to feed everybody every night and keep clothes on. She's trying to do a lot of things. And I mean, raise your hand if you're trying to do a lot of things and figure out what to do with your house. I told her, I said, I can pull comps for you. I can tell you what I think your house is worth. I can tell you what I would do with it if it was mine, but I can't tell you what you should do with it because I don't know your risk tolerance. I don't know your goals you told me some of your goals, but I don't know your real goals, We can deep dive into this and we can really figure out what your goals are. But again, I don't know how hard I can push you. I don't know how fast you want to move. You don't know how fast you want to move. But speaking of moving, you need to have that you need to have a clear plan on where you're going to move, because in this market, things either happen in 3 hours or 3 months. So I need you to have a plan of where are you going to sleep at night? Where are you going to make dinner every night? How far away do you want to be from your work, your mom's house, your kids' ball practices? Those are a lot of questions that we can get into, but I can't just tell you off the cuff. I also just can't tell you what your house is worth off the cuff. I can do a deep dive into it. I can tell you what I think it's worth. I can tell you what the houses in your neighborhood sold for in the last 12 months. Not a problem. What I can't tell you is what the appraisal is going to be on your house. I can list your house. I can put it out there. I can make a good stab at it. But until people start walking through it and giving us some feedback, I don't know. Until we get under contract and we go back and forth and we negotiate, I don't know. Until it comes down to a week before closing and the appraiser walks through it and gives us the appraisal report, which is good for 24 hours, I don't know what your house is worth. And even then, I still can't tell you what the best choice is for you on what to do with your house. Should you build? Should you tear it down? Should you buy a piece of land and build a barnuminium because they're really cute and you watch a lot of videos about them on TikTok? I know I do. My mom does. We are big into the barndo videos on TikTok. The barn talk, maybe you call it. I don't know. I can't tell you what you should do with your house. Now, what I did tell my friend when I was talking to her is, if you want to look at a rental house, I can help you evaluate that in about 3 minutes flat. I can tell you, yes, no, it's a good deal, or you need to make sure you get owner financing, or if they'll give you this, that, and the other, then it'll be a deal, or if you're willing to get 1% payback over the next 10 years and then have $100,000 in equity, then it's a good deal. I can tell you lots of things if you're looking at it for an investment purpose, and I can analyze it real fast. I can give you my opinion super fast. The owner wants to sell you a lakefront property in South Knoxville and they're going to owner finance it. Yes, please buy that. Or give me their number. I'd love a lakefront property in South Knoxville. You want to look at an apartment complex? Okay, I need a spreadsheet in about 5 minutes to do this one, but I'm also going to need a lot of paperwork. I'm going to need a lot of reports. I'm going to need a lot of your business so I can plug it into my spreadsheet, and then I'll tell you if it's a good deal. You want to look at a mobile home, a campground. I'd like a campground. I'm going to the campground in June, and I'm really excited about it. I can help you analyze that super duper fast, and I can tell you yes, no, maybe so really fast on that, because it's an investment. We're going to look at it. We're going to say if it makes money or not. Your personal home, your primary place where you feed and clothe and raise your children, I don't have many opinions on that. But on the flip side of that, if you are more of an elder mom than I am, and your kids are grown and gone, and you know, maybe your husband's passed, or maybe you don't have a husband for whatever reasons anymore, and you're looking to sell mom's house, oh, I got lots of options for you. If you're looking to downsize, you know you're going to a condo, you know you're going to move into your daughter's house, you know that you're going into assisted living, and you just want to cash out and be done with all this, I can help you really, really fast. All right. I love mom's house deals. I love when a seller calls me and they got a plan that the house is empty. Nobody wants it. Everybody's fighting over it. We just need cash so that we can be done with this deal. I can help you too. All right. If you have a real estate question, then let me know. But if it's what should I do with my personal house where I sleep every night, stay put until you fall in love with something and you buy it and you move into it. That's my opinion. An investment deal, a house that nobody's living in, just some land. Oh, I got some super fast plans for that. So I'm walking into a realtor meeting right now. I am going on behalf of Knox REIA. So I'm looking for investors and contractors who are shopping at Home Depot and want to make more money at Home Depot. As long as you're spending $25,000 or more at Home Depot. Can't help you if you go to the blue store. Can't help you if you're going to 84 Lumber. Only going to help you if you go to the big orange store. I can help you get at least $500 back every year as long as you're spending 25 grand or more. The more you spend, the more you're going to get back in a check. So I'm going to talk to the Women's Council of Realtors and see if they have any investors or contractors working or shopping at Home Depot. If you have any other real estate questions, though, let me know, and I'll see how I can help. Bye, y'all.